Hello, family. I've been thinking about Christmas at Grandma's, so we're going to make the Christmas classic molasses cookies. Come join me. All right, we're going to start these. The oven is on 325. Okay, we're going to start with 1 cup of brown sugar. One cup of brown sugar. Okay, next we're going to do 3/4 cup of shortening. I always remember Grandma always made molasses cookies at Christmas. It was a classic in my house, or my grandma's house anyway. How about your house? Did you ever grow up with molasses cookies at Christmas? They always made the house smell so good. Okay, I'm just packing this thing in here. I just buy the little ones. I use buttered Crisco too with when I fry chicken sometimes. Mostly I put it in the air fryer, but okay. And you guys know how I love miniatures, right? Well, look what I found. Miniature tongs. I mean, aren't those cute? There was 2 of them in a package. Okay, now we're going to add 1/4 cup of molasses. And always remember to wipe the side of the jar before putting it away. Because otherwise you won't be able to get the lid off. I just wet my finger and go around the edge of it, so it's easier to put away. Now we're going to add 1 egg. And remember to test the egg. We got 1 cup of water here. We put the egg in it. It's not floating. It's good. Sunk to the bottom. A good egg. Okay, now on medium speed, we're going to beat this. Okay, that's good. We're going to change the beaters on this. I'm going to put these beaters in here. Better for dough. Uh-oh. It got caught through there. Okay. No problem. Now we're going to add 2 1/4 cup of flour. 2 cups. And 1/4 cup. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 1, 2. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of ginger. 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I've got sugar standing by to coat the sugar dough in when I make the balls for the pan. Okay, now we're gonna mix this up. Okay, success. We're done with this. Always unplug. Okay, we got our nice dough going over here. Now the fun part. I finally bought gloves. I ordered them. I was out of gloves for a while. Okay, now we get our ungreased pan. We're going to roll it. And we're going to dip in sugar and put it on them upside down. Sugar side up. About 2 inches apart. I'll put this over here so you can see what I'm doing again. Okay, this goes in the oven, 325, 13 to 16 minutes, or until set and the cookies will appear like they're dry. Okay, we will see you then. Okay, 15 minutes it took. So now I'm going to immediately take them off, let them cool in a rack, and then we'll try them. There you go. First bite. Mm-hmm. Can almost hear my grandma laughing in the kitchen in her apron with crumbs and food all over her apron. Mm. Yeah, you have that one. We'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.